We're looking forward to making your stay even better.
Yay! Pero hindi naman first time, di ba?
Ako first time.
Ay, hindi, totoo nga. Talaga?
First
Kaya
time.
mamaya papakainin ko siyang buhangin.
Oh, masarap, di ba? Malinis na. Okay, next one for si B.
Hello, I'm Dee Ledesma. I'm the Assistant Operations Manager of Belmont Hotel Boracay.
Yeah.
Welcome to Boracay.
Thank you.
She is our baby girl who is now taking up.
Yan po, I'm the PR manager for Mega World Hotels and Resorts. So soon, if we have press releases, that will be coming from you.
Sure.
Yay! Gusto ko na yung trabaho siya kagad. Wala, dire-diretso na. Si Christine is no, what do you call this? No stranger. She also used to be with the media as well.
Kaya
She used
pang
to be
familiar eh.
Travel Daily Media.
Travel Daily Media. Also an editor.
Yes po, editor for Asia.
But now, turning a new page and joining the corporate.
So kayo turning a new page.
Turning a new page. Di ba? Galit ka ba? Alright, okay. Of course, my name is Nico Velasquez, your Group Director for Public Relations. I cannot promise you anything. Please vote for me. No, but I'm so happy that you guys are here. It's always a joyous occasion, and we do our best to always fly in wherever we're coming from, just to join you guys wherever you go also. So I hope you make the best out of your stay, and we get to also, I don't know, identify the objectives that you have for your stay, the experiences you want to be able to, you know, embrace, and the new things that we have to offer. But of course, ladies and gents, all this will not be possible if we did not have approval coming from our area general manager, who handles the entire property. So all three hotels, two operational, which is Belmont Hotel and Savoy Hotel, and soon to open Chancellor Boracay, making us the biggest in the island with 1,500 rooms. So ladies and gentlemen,
Good afternoon, everyone. Again, I'm Maya Israel. I've been here in New Coast since, 2022. So I came just in time when travel was almost coming back. So we felt yung travel na grabe yung activity ng mga tao. Parang naglaw na naman. So back
we've
to
seen it all
normal.
happen.
Yes, except for the pandemic, I was not here. I have a very lovely team that will be assisting you all throughout your stay. Of course, headed by me. Our F&B manager is over there, si Ben. And si Chef busy lang kasi sa loob. But we hope that you enjoy your stay. You spread the word. Just not about Belmont, but of course, New Coast, both properties. And I'm sure you're going to come back for Chancellor.
Happening next year, reason to come back.
Yes. So enjoy, let your feet.
We'll show you.
Yeah, let your feet feel the sand.
Yes,
and
sir.
of course the sea.
Matamis. Matamis.
And then enjoy the journey that you will have with us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Sige ate, pasok.
Oh, wow, I love that. Oh my God.
Sige, punta ka sa CR. Wala ako. Okay. Okay. Okay, saan natin lalagay siya ngayon? Sa ay, may picture mo pa? Ay, may picture ko pa. Personalize. Atin yun, di ba? Ay, yung isa bago na naman. Diyos ko, paano ba natin kakainin yan, te?